How to pay with gift card on Wayfair. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can pay with gift card on Wayfair. So, if this is your question, ensure you watch this video to the end so that you can learn how to do so. The first step is to log in into your Wayfair account, just like I have done here. And then after you've logged in and you've gotten the items that you'd like to pay for, move to the top right corner and click on your cart icon. So after clicking on your cart icon and you've seen the amount of things that you want to get and you're sure that your gift card covers for this, click on checkout now and you'll be taken to the checkout page. So on the checkout page, usually the first option would be your shipping address if you've not added your shipping address. And then the next stage would be payment info, which is also your payment method. All right. And so just scroll down and you can see the different gift cards available. Then you can see add gift card or promo code. Once you can see it, just click on that. And then go ahead and add the gift card number or the promo code that you have. Click on apply. And then if it's up to this amount, the money for your payments for your items would be cleared out and you would then receive a confirmation email and you would be expecting to get your products at the slated time. So here is how you can use your gift card or to make payments on Wayfair. So this is how it works, all right? Have a happy shopping. Thank you.